What's up, guys? This is Emmanuel. These are the 5 modifications that you should never do to your car. You should avoid these 5 things. Okay? Let's do it. Alright guys, these are the 5 modifications that you should never do to your car, or you should avoid them. Alright? Okay guys, the number 1. Huge wheels on your car. Oh man. I have seen some people putting wheels so big that it doesn't fit your car. It looks like a 4x4, like a Jeep in a car. Okay, unless you have a Jeep or a truck, it's fine, but for a car, please don't do this. Your car has a limit. Okay, the fender has a limited space to put to fit a wheel. Okay, so please don't put a wheel that it doesn't fit your car. There are websites that you can search what is the limit for the wheels that you can fit on your car. For the Corolla, I think the limit is a 19-inch wheel. Okay, so don't go bigger than a 19-inch wheel. There are cars, of course, that you can put like 20 or 22s, but those are like a bigger car, like a Chargers or those cars. But please don't put a huge wheel on your car. The car is gonna look funny and it's gonna look like a 4x4 truck. Okay, so please don't do that to your car. Get the right fitment for your car. Do some research on the wheels, width, offset, tires. Everything is very important. You don't want your tire to be rubbing the fender or to be huge, and when you turn the car it will rub. Okay, so do your research and get the right wheels for your car. Okay, and the number two modification that you'll avoid, okay, light bars, okay, on a car. Okay, I'm talking on a car. They look great, okay, even in a truck you can do it, but when you put light bars on your car, those are meant to use in off-road areas like a forest or areas like that, not in the public roads. When you put a light bar on your car and when you turn it on at night in a public road, it's dangerous. You could be blinding the driver, especially if they're coming on the opposite direction and you have like 20 lights and light bars and you turn them on the streets. It's bad. You can create an accident, especially if they're coming in the opposite direction. You can blind them. Okay, so please don't put a light bars to turn them on the public roads. Those are meant to use on the off-road, or you can put it but use it for the car shows and things like that. Okay, but not for the public roads. Okay, so that's the second modification that you should avoid. Okay, you can do it on your car, but please don't turn it on the public roads. And the third one that you should avoid, universal intake. Okay, there are some intakes out there that they said these are universal intakes. This will fit any car and any truck. Okay, don't get those intakes. Okay, because those they're not meant to fit your car, and you have to do modifications. And when you do that, you can get air leaks on your car, and the check engine light might come on. Okay, and you can affect the engine of your car. Okay, so don't get those. get the right cold air intake. Okay, don't get the Universal's cold air intake. Those are not good. They are cheaper there. I have seen some of those like around $20-$30, even $50. But don't get those. Don't get fooled, okay, with those. Get the right one. I know you have to spend a little bit of money to get the right cold air intake, and I recommend you to get the long arm air intakes. I know they are around $300. Yes, I know, but those are better. We'll get the air cold out from the outside, not the hot air from the engine. Okay, those are the one I recommend. Don't get the Universal cold air intakes. Okay. Okay, guys, and the number 4, the OBD tuning chip, or I think they call it a boost chip. I don't know. That's the. I'm gonna put an image there. How it looks. Okay, guys, please don't get a scam or fool for those kind of chips. Okay, those doesn't work and doesn't do anything. Those that you connect to your OBD connection, don't get those. Okay, those doesn't work, because the only way if you want to make your car faster is by adding like a supercharger, a turbo, crankshafts, or those things. Those are the only things that they will make your car faster. Don't get fooled about those chips. Okay, I think they are around like $50 or $20. I'm gonna check. Okay, and I'm gonna put the price over there and the picture, and also some pictures. The Corolla already has a sport mode. Just use the sport mode and that's it. Enjoy your car. If you want a faster car, buy a faster car. You want a Corolla? I love my Corolla. I love it because it saves me a lot of gas. I drive a lot of miles. Okay, and I like the way it is. In the future, yes, I might get a faster car, but for now, I love it the way it is. Okay, so guys, don't get scammed or fooled of those tuning chips. Okay. Okay, guys, and the 5th modification that you should never buy or avoid at all costs. Okay, these are the fake turbo fan, or they call it like tornado intake fan. I'm gonna put an image there. Man, this thing does not work. Okay, if you don't get a turbo, the turbo is like a turbine that it gives a lot of power. That thing, oh man, it's like you're just blowing with your mouth inside of the intake. That doesn't work. Okay, and I think it's around $20. I'm not sure. I'm gonna search. I'm gonna put the price there, the right price, and the image, and also I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can see it. So don't buy this fan. This one doesn't work and doesn't do anything, and it might give you a check engine light of your car. So protect your car. It's an investment that the car that you have. Take care of it. Don't get scammed or fooled from other companies that they try you to sell things that they tell you just put this on your car and it will make it faster. No, the cars, if you don't get like a turbo supercharged, or if you don't get those expert guys that know how to hook with a computer and then they change the settings, don't get fooled or scammed. Okay, especially with this tornado intake fan. That's the worst modification you will do to your car. Stay away from that and avoid that modification. Okay, guys, so those are the 5 modifications that you should never do and avoid, and stay away from them. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about these modifications, and if you know a modification that we should never do, put it in the comments. Put the name of the modification, all right? Put it in the comments, all right? So let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.